How y'all doing? Coming from the doorway too. Do another one of the reviews that you love so much. Today is Friday, March 19th, 2021. We are going to be starting off these reviews with a band, actually two bands. It's a split release out of Georgia, and it is Machinist and Dead Hand split 10-inch and digital release on Nefarious Industries. It is 3 tracks. 2 by Machinist and 1 by Dead Hand. So let's check out these 2 bands out of Georgia, see what the hell we're going to get. You all know Nefarious Industries. They put out some crazy, weird, avant-garde stuff always. So let's listen to the first song from Machinist, which is Bask in the White Light. We're going to leave it right there because this is some kick-ass, grinding, sludgy, industrial death metal, man. Machinist? Holy shit, I was not ready for this for a second. Not for 1 second. Very, very, very cool. The album cover is pretty intense too. While you're watching this, you can see the cover there as well too. Looks like it's limited onto 300 vinyl from what I'm looking at. And it looks like it's on a transparent glacier blue 10-inch at 45 speed, so that's pretty badass looking in itself. Let's listen to the next track off of Machinist, and that's called The Nail. So I'm going to say that's a lot more on the sludgy and grind side and less on the industrial and death metal, but still ass kicking nonetheless. These three tracks from Machinist and Dead Hand so far are really winning me over. We got one more, which is a longer track from Dead Hand. Looks like they gave us one 7-minute track on this split 10-inch vinyl. It's also out digitally on Nefarious Industries. Let's just check it out and see what we got going on here. All right, looks like the song is called, I guess, You'll Get It. So that's how I'm going to say it. I'm not really sure if I'm butchering it or not, but it looks like You'll Get It. Here we go, Dead Hand. Leave it on a bass rumble. It's the best place to leave it ever. This is definitely more of a sludgy, southern, swampy kind of NOLA, doom metal kind of vibe going on. These two bands, both out of Georgia, definitely have one thing in common, and it's that they like sludge and doom elements, where Machinist has more of a grinding, industrial kind of elements, and Dead Hand has more of a like NOLA, southern, swampy kind of sludge vibe going. But they both are equally badass. Again, on digital and on a limited 10-inch vinyl, limited to 300, on transparent glacier blue. Pretty badass. I would definitely tell you to check it out. Nefarious Industries. you got another winner as far as I'm concerned. I will leave links to their Bandcamp as well as Nefarious Industries site, so you can talk to them as well too. Again, came out today, Friday, March 19th, 2021. Machinist Dead Hand Split, 10-inch and digital release on Nefarious Industries. If you like what I do, don't forget to like and subscribe, YouTube, Instagram, and we are now doing audio podcasts on Anchor for all of our interviews. So check those out on Anchor, which will be through Spotify, all the audio podcast locations, Pocket Cast, Google. You think about it, it should be there. Again, Clint from the Doorway 2. Love doing this for you. Until next time, see ya.